Spiders are one of the most familiar and common animal species. They are numerous and widely distributed. They are also commonly found indoors. Spiders in the house are good insects. They feed on mosquitoes and flies and are very friendly creatures. Spiders belong to the phylum Arthropods in animal taxonomy arachnids. 5 out of 14 orders have been wiped out. China now has 7 orders. Spiders are diverse, numerous, and highly adaptable. There are about 40,000 species of spiders in the world. Most of them are venomous. But only a few spider toxins pose a threat to humans. Spiders are carnivores. Feeds almost exclusively on other arthropods, especially insects. Some spiders are active hunters, such as tarantulas, jumping spiders. Crab spiders are hunting prey, chasing and subduing their prey. These spiders usually have developed senses of touch or vision. Most spiders weave webs to catch their prey. Nets are instinctual structures that effectively trap flying insects. Many spiders inject venom into their prey to kill it quickly. There are many poisonous spiders in the world, but there are fewer that really threaten people, and they usually live in the wild. Of the 5 most venomous spiders in the world, top of the list is the Brazilian wandering spider. We should be very careful if we encounter it, because this spider is not only venomous but also extremely aggressive. The second most venomous is the 6-eyed sand spider. However, it is very docile and not aggressive. 3 of the 5 most venomous spiders are found in Australia, including the black widow spider that we often hear about, the Sydney funnel web spider and the redback spider. Sydney funnel web spiders can also be frightening, because once it bites, it will immediately release all the venom, resulting in a quick death for the victim. The spider is the smallest animal in the world, ranging in length from 1 to 90 millimeters. For example, in the tropical forests of Panama there is a small spider. The female spider is usually much larger than the male. Many female spiders are at least twice the size of males of the same species, maybe because they favor females. Fecundity and selection of male bridging movements. Bridging is a technique used by spiders to make webs. The silk produced by the spider is carried by the wind and attached to an object to form a bridge. Smaller and lighter male spiders can build and cross silk bridges more quickly than larger and heavier ones. Scientists speculate that this gives the young males more opportunities to mate. Small spiders and the larvae of many large spiders. They secrete long strands of silk. These threads can carry a spider far away against the wind. This behavior is called ballooning, occurs in many spider families and accelerated the distribution and spread of species. Spiders are abundant. They are the most important insect predators. In the apple orchards of Israel and the rice fields of China, spiders are used to control harmful insects. Spiders are also used extensively in South American rice fields and in fields of various crops in North America to feed on pests. Spiders in the field are loyal defenders of the crops. Jumping spiders patrol the ground and nesting spiders weave webs on the leaves. Water tarantulas block the surface of the water, whether flying in the sky or running on the ground. The lice, leafhoppers, borers, aphids, flies, mosquitoes and other pests in the upper reaches of the water can't escape the webs laid by spiders. Tiny spiders are important objects of bionics research. The spider has 6 spinnerets on the back of its abdomen. They communicate with the 3 pairs of spindles on the body surface. There are more than 1,000 pores in the process. When weaving a web, it is ejected mainly by a mucus made of fibrous proteins. When the mucus meets the air, it changes into thin, tough threads. Bionics was inspired by the spider spindle process, the spinneret that makes modern man-made fibers. The legs of spiders are filled with strange fluid. It's like a hydraulic device. The hydraulic pressure can be adjusted according to the situation. Once the emergency fluid fills the spider's thighs, causing them to change from soft to hard to explode, the power to leap up. Bionicists have developed a spider robot that mimics this wonderful hydraulic leg, walking and bouncing with agility. In the military, mankind has simulated a system for monitoring underwater enemies, the underwater spider. Based on the principle of spiders opening their webs and sensing the entry of flying generals, it can convert underwater sound waves into signals, sent to the central station and on the electronic computer. It is displayed on the control device. And the study of the thin, tough spider silk. It is expected to bring a new breakthrough in materials science. At present, scientists in Britain, the United States and other countries are using genetic engineering technology to imitate spider silk. In the future, artificial spider silk will be a wide range of applications in the field of aerospace medicine and military. It is hoped that through the study of spider venom a harmless hypnotic drug can be made to make people sleep for a long time. Use this drug on astronauts would allow them to stay dormant during long interstellar journeys, thus extending their lives for long-distance interplanetary missions. In short, spiders are closely related to human life. Study the mysteries of spiders' bodies and behaviors. For human life, bionics and high-tech fields, development is of great practical significance.